How to reconcile payments into the bank from payment platforms such as SumUp and Stripe, etc. First of all, we need to go into the bank account. We're in our test client, the Shed Limited. Go into reconcile the bank account. Now here we're on the reconcile screen, and we're going to look for SumUp payments. As you can see, we've got 4 there for the month of February. Let's look at the first one. We've received 191942 into the bank. Let's see if we've got an invoice. We do have an invoice here, similar amount. Let's have a look at that and see if we can use that one. It's invoice number 2. And we need to have a look at the file that was attached to the invoice. I think it's going to ask me to download. Let's open that up. So here we go. If we scroll down to the totals at the bottom, you can see there that the total is matching the invoice, 195241. But we've got this column here, which is a fee of £32.99. Now let's see if we add that into the transaction to see if it balances. I'll move that out of the way. We tick on that invoice so it goes green. Then we scroll down to the bottom and we can do an adjustment. I'm going to put in SumUp. The account is SumUp fees. And the amount is £32.99. There we can see it's gone green now. The sum of the invoice less the SumUp fees equals a payment received into the bank account. And that's how you reconcile.